In this video, I'm going to show you how to bet with bonus account in 1xBet. It will be very simple to do. You will first come out your menu here. Before continuing the video, I will invite you to create a 1xBet professional account by coming and clicking here to registration. Now you will come and click right down here to by email, which will be the full inscription. You will come right up to your promotional code BOTV, whereby entering this promotional code, you will get 300% of bonuses at your first deposit, meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will receive $30. Continue the video. Then from here, you will come and click at your balance here. By clicking down here, you will see your main account where you are placing your money normally. Then you will see the option of add account, where here, when you have now used your promo code, you will see that by using the promo code, a bonus account will be given to you if you have used it. So if the bonus account has been given to you, you will see that it will come here to add account. Then you will just switch your add account to your bonus account. You will then be able to use it so as to place your bet on 1xBet, and it is as simple as that.